Good morning, everyone. On behalf of agricultureinformation.com, I welcome Mr. Manish Khandelwal, and he will talk about technological advancement in rice milling. I now request the speaker to begin. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to apologize for being late. Actually, today, the topic given to me is on the technology. As we all know, the world is taken over by artificial intelligence. So, our industry cannot be left behind. Instead of those traditional machines and machines with latest PLC control systems and other things, now we have AI enabled. By AI enabled, I mean the machine can take its own decisions, the correct decisions. You don't need any manual intervention. And this gives a better position to get a better output, reduce waste, and optimize production. Now we will come stepwise in the rice milling sector, in the processing sector. In this section, the machines we have been using were old traditional cleaners. Now we have much better cleaners, which are controlled by automated systems. Now, what is paddy cleaning? Paddy cleaning is the removal of the refractive material we have in paddy, the dust, the chaff, the other foreign particles which are involved in the cleaning before it goes for the other process of parboiling and drying. So when we go for the cleaning section, the whole lot systems require very precise calibrations are being done by artificial intelligence. So, which are all which they get from those, the feedback which we get from the sensors are processed. The AI algorithms work and help the machine to take a very dynamic decisions and adapt themselves with the quality of the raw material. In the parboiling section also, still in India, been evolved much into the AI segment, but we have made some very important developments in the drying section. The drying sections are now AI enabled. The temperature, the moisture of the paddy has been continuously monitored on a real-time basis, and on the basis of that moisture content, the system automatically adapts by controlling the temperature, the volume of air, so that we can avoid cracks being formed during the drying process. So this is a very important process, because once a crack is formed, you have a lot of broken, the quality is disturbed. So this is a very important part where we have the application of AI. Thirdly, we are making strides into the milling section also. Already our optical sorters AI enabled. All the cameras used in the optical sorters, once they sense the grain, then the AI algorithms They do all the data, collect the data. They collect the data regarding the texture, color, size, length of the grain, and then they decide the firing from the ejectors. They will decide upon the delivery will decide upon the grain quantity, because you don't need any operator's intervention when the quality changes. So the machine will adapt itself. This is where we were lagging, because we have to depend on the operators. And it was not always possible to monitor the machine, this AI, artificial intelligence. These algorithms are doing the work. They are helping us to get the best results. Another sector in the milling section where we are getting AI-enabled machines is the whitening part. Now we have whiteners where it is the rice is polished. The whiteners now are AI-enabled. They monitor the moisture of the rice on real-time basis. They adjust the deliveries. They adjust the gaps between the screen and the stone. They give you the real-time put it into the machine, and you will get the desired results. This is how we are developing. The paddy separator section is also AI-enabled. Maybe it is not very popular in India, but in other developed countries like China and other Thailand and America and other places, now we have AI-enabled paddy separators also. They decide the degree of tiltation. They decide the delivery on the moisture content of the paddy, on the type of the paddy, on the density of the paddy. This is how things are working. Hello. Hello. We are very optimistic, and in next 2 years or 3 years down the line, most of the machines we are using will have the uses of artificial intelligence.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, you are able to hear me?
Yes, I am unable to hear me. Did you hear me?
Sorry, sir, there was some technical issue. You can proceed, sir.
No. Did you able to hear what I had said?
Yes, sir. We were able to hear, sir. You can proceed.
Yes.
It is recorded.
So just I was talking about the use of AI in the machines. So usually, since the machines are quite expensive when they are AI enabled, so it is a gradual. It will be a gradual transition because this AI enabled machines have a big role. Demand for food grains, and to optimize the production, we have to reduce the wastage, and to get into a healthy competition, we have to make our machines very efficient. They not only increase the efficiency, but they increase the quality also. This is how the AI is going to basically take over the rice milling sector too, as it has been doing in other sectors. This is going to be a big game changer in coming years. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please proceed. Hello.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you just let us know about your background, sir?
About
Sir, can you let us know about your background? How did you enter in this field?
actually, I have it is my basically this is the legacy which I have inherited since my birth. I've been a rice 5 years. I am the basically holding post in different rice mill associations. I am the vice president Burdwan District
Okay.
Rice Mill Association, and I am also associated with other trade bodies also.
Sir, what are the challenges you face in setting up this company, sir?
No, no, this company was formed by my grandfather, so this was not a challenge for me, but to revamp, to upgrade, and now to install. Now we have installed all world-class machines. For example, we have imported machines from the finest machines. All the we have basically automated the full plant. We have the whole automated packaging lineup, milling section, parboiling and cleaning section. They have all been automated. Things are AI enabled, but slowly we will be going in for more AI enabled machines in future, as they are not very much available in India. Slowly, and they are quite expensive. AI enabled milling process in future, because after all, when you have these machines will take over, because sooner or later they will take over. It's only a matter of time. Uh, they, they take over. Question.
Okay. Is there any government support for developing this uh, companies like this, sir?
Now, what do you mean by common support?
Subsidy.
They have not taken any government subsidies, but there are central government subsidies available. There are a lot of subsidies. The is trying to promote the export of rice and all that in a big way. The non-basmati and export fund has been also been created. Recently, we had a very big export conclave where 80 countries from all around the world had come, exporters, importers from all around the world had come to Delhi in Bharat Mandapam.
Okay.
This industry.
Sir, like, what is the what advice would you give for young agri entrepreneurs who are interested in entering this field?
My only advice is that basically you have to go proper choice, study of the market. This is all I can say. Because see, once you install wrong machines, you deploy wrong technology, you are not going to gain. In the long term, you're going to lose. So if you deploy high-end machines with better technology, with high-end technologies, it might take some time, but in the future is bright, because you are able to reduce your losses, improve your quality, because quality is a very important part. You have to develop a very strong brand image, and only with good machines and better management, you can bring a strong brand. And unless and until you don't develop a strong brand, you won't be successful.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for a wonderful talk and answering for the questions. On behalf of agriculture information.blog, we would like to thank you. This meeting will now be closed.
Thank you very much.
Straight.